Hairdryer, 15,000 RPM, high-speed blow dryer, 500 millions, negative ionic care. Hairdryer for fast drying, 51 dB, low noise, Thermo-Control hairdryer with magnetic diffuser and nozzle for children, women, men. High-speed brushless motor. The Retivan Diffuser hairdryer equipped with a 150,000 RPM high-speed brushless motor and a wind speed of 36 km/s. The heat is regulated by a high-performance chip control system. Its powerful high-speed motor drastically reduces drying time, while the brushless technology ensures durability and quiet operation.